Welcome to another installment of our Dekoni U series. I'm Dan with Dekoni Audio, and today we'll be discussing headphone modding and a few ways you can alter and improve the way you listen to your music or other forms of audio. Firstly, why might you decide to mod a pair of headphones? Well, when you purchase headphones, you may not always be completely satisfied with the way they are, whether it's how they look, how they feel around your head, how they sound, etc. Modding allows you to break the limitations of your headphones and turn them into the ideal pair of headphones that suits your specific needs. Modding can be a very fun and rewarding experience when trying out new ways to improve the comfort, sound, and/or look of your favorite cans. Headphone modding can take on many forms, whether it's replacing your ear pads, headbands, or cables, adding filters or padding inside the ear cups, or utilizing 3D printers to construct certain components or even entire headphones. However, for this first video within our new headphone modding series, we'll dive into ear pad swapping and how this modification can improve the comfort and quality of your listening experience. If you're not satisfied with the standard ear pads that come with your headphones, or if your current ear pads are damaged and worn out, you can swap them out with different ones. This is a relatively quick and easy way to improve the comfort and/or sound of your headphones. Depending on the headphones, this can be a very simple twist and turn process involving minimal effort. However, for the more stubborn standard ear pads that come with certain headphones, make sure to take your time in order to prevent damaging your headphones. Replacement ear pads are made with an array of different materials, each offering different forms of comfort and potentially different sound signatures. In the ear pads, you can find materials such as regular foam, memory foam, and cooling gel. The foam inside the replacement pads can offer more support and density, allowing for more comfort around your ears while listening to music. The cooling gel is a great material for reducing the heat of your ear pads after using your headphones for extended periods of time. If you're looking to stream your favorite video game for several hours straight, make sure you're rocking with a pair of ear pads with some cooling gel so you can stay focused on the game. Outside the ear pad, you'll find different materials such as velour, suede, leather, protein leather, and many others. Some materials may work better than others depending on the type of headphones you own and your own personal preference. Once you have your new ear pads on, do some listening tests, and you may find that the ear pads not only improve the comfort of your headphones, but can also affect the sound signature of your music. Some common differences you can expect are changes in the low frequency content, such as the bass and sub-bass region, or even changes in the higher frequency ranges where the air or sibilance is. The sound of your headphones can also be affected by the different sizes and shapes of your replacement ear pads. Your new pads can potentially alter the distance between your ear and the driver, increasing or decreasing acoustic impedance. Some pads come with bigger ear holes for a better fit, and this can either bring your ear closer or further away from the driver. This change in distance can change the way certain frequencies interact within the new space, which may affect the way your music sounds. Ear pads can also be flat or round in shape. The flat ear pads create more area around your ear, which can seal your ear better. On the contrary, rounded may not seal as well, but you may find it more comfortable. However, typically, neither shape will drastically affect the sound of your headphones. If you're looking to replace your ear pads simply for cosmetic purposes and not so much for sound or comfort, you can get customizable pads. You can purchase pads with different colors or designs to make them pop. This can easily turn your regular headphones into something that's a little more you. Hopefully, you were able to gain a better understanding of ear pad swapping and how it can affect the quality of your listening experience. Ear pads are a very important component and can either make or break the quality of your headphones. In future videos, we'll go over more ways you can modify your headphones so that you can learn to fully optimize your favorite pair of cans without needing to purchase new ones. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more informational videos from Dekoni U in the future. We'll also leave a link to our blog post in the description below for more information on this topic. If you're interested in replacing your ear pads, check us out at DekoniAudio.com, where we provide high-quality replacement earpads for audiophile, gaming, and pro audio headphones. We offer an array of earpads for some of the most well-known and high-quality brands in the market space, such as Sennheiser, Beyerdynamic, and Audio-Technica. At Dekoni Audio, we strive to produce products that balance comfort with sound and cater to the communities that know quality when they see it. Thanks for watching.